Okay, rolling. Take one, and wait a minute. Actually, because you're white and a white background is too light. So I'm just turning on the ISO. Okay, cool. Okay, and action.
Alright, so this is my Arduino fire alarm. This is the transmitter side where I have the NRF transceiver sticking out. That's the antenna sticking out. And it's powered through this USB down here. Alright, and so the transceiver uses, oh my bad, sorry. So it uses this reed switch. So it's like a door window reed switch. And it sends signals to the receiver, which is over here. This is the receiver. So this is another NRF transceiver that accepts signals from the transmitter, and it has an LED and a buzzer, and I'm powering it through this Raspberry. So whenever the door opens, the buzzer and the LED will go off. Alright, just stay here and watch it while I open the door. Damn it. Hold on. Whoa, actually it's cool with the timer in the background. Just watch, like just look at that, at the fire alarm box. Swag. Okay, now we have to get a shot of me opening the door because I forgot about that.
God damn, I'm freaking hungry.
Said you're hungry?
I'm hell about to eat after this.
Alright, so it's going to be a shot of my hand grabbing the door handle, and then it's, okay, and that's going to be one shot, and then we're going to do another shot of the sensor.
Oh, you want me to cut this out?
Nah.
Okay.
Just do it all in one.
Yeah, cool.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is going to be me, it's going to be like me
You
reaching
open the door, yeah.
Okay.
And
This is our focal point, and I gotta open the door. So get on this side so we can see both sides of the sensor.
oh, okay. Cool.
Alright, that's all we need.